Are you still replying to your multiple users on WhatsApp manually? What if I tell you you can design an automated WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business without writing a single line of code? Sound powerful, right? So hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to build an AI assistant chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. But before we dive into the step-by-step tutorial of how we can create an automated AI assistant, let me give you a quick overview of how it will work in real time. By sending a simple hi message to my AI assistant, immediately I have received the response from this AI assistant that hello, how can I assist you today? So let's say I am asking one question to this AI assistant that tell me the services you offer. Then it shares me the types of services they are offering. Moving forward, I am asking my next question is tell me about your firm. Then you will see it shares me the details about this law firm. Here I want you to know that I have designed this AI assistant for law firms just only to teach you the example that how you can create an AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow. But whether you run a real estate service based or any other business, you can customize the same AI assistant for your own business too. Now I am asking one last question to this AI assistant that how can I book a consultation? Then it will respond to me like this. So this is the exact AI assistant we will be building in this video. But before we continue, I just want to share something extremely important with you. If you also want to create this type of automated AI assistant for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Now, without wasting any time, let's start the creation of this automated AI assistant from the scratch. At first, open a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate your WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. In this page, on the right hand side, you will see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. After that, you will be see all Pabbly apps, and as we are creating an AI assistant and that will be created using Pabbly Chatflow, so I will go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button. After that, it will take me to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. You can also add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate tutorial of how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. Here, as we are creating an AI assistant, so I am clicking on this AI assistant option, and then you will become in this page where you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common question. In few minutes, you will understand how you can create an AI assistant and what is knowledge base. Now, as we are creating a new AI assistant, so I will click on this plus add AI assistant button. After that, it will ask me to enter the name. So I am entering the AI assistant name as built-in AI chatbot in Pabbly Chatflow step-by-step tutorial. After that, I will click on this plus add AI assistant button. And see, you will become in this page where you can start the creation of your AI assistant, where at first you have to select the instruction type that I'm going to select as AI agent. See, instruction types is defined as how the AI should behave and how it will reply to your users. In simple words, these are the rules that your AI assistant will follow. You can also customize this if you want to. Moving forward is the temperature. Temperature controls the creativity level of the AI replies, as lower temperature gives accurate and stable values while higher temperature gives creative and flexible values. Next, the model provider I am going to select as OpenAI. After that, the model I am going to select as GPT-4o Mini. Next, it will ask me to enter the API key. So for getting this API key, I am going to take you to my OpenAI API keys page. See, this is the OpenAI platform, and for creating your OpenAI key, just click on this plus create new secret key button. After that, the name is an optional, so I am not entering. Next, the project I am going to select as default project. After that, the permission I am going to set as all. Next, I will click on this create button. See, I have got my API key, so I am copying this from here. I'm going to paste it in this field. After pasting the API key, you just have to click on this connect button and it says that OpenAI key saved successfully. Moving forward are the assistant settings, where the first one is the header message. The header message is the message that was sent to the user when the conversation starts. It is mainly used for welcome message or short introduction. If you want to add any header message, then you can write in this field. Here I'm not adding. Next one is the footer message. The footer message is sent at the end of the conversation, as it is usually used for thank you or contact information message. Then the next one is the stop keywords. Stop keywords are those words that your user will send to your AI assistant, then the conversation will stop. For example, in this field, when you add some stop keywords and the user will send any of the keyword to your AI assistant, then the conversation between your users and the AI assistant will get stopped. And on that moment, you have to reply manually to the users for starting the conversation. Next one is the retry attempt. Retry attempts is defined as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give the response to your user if something goes wrong. After that, the next one is the fallback message. The fallback message is the message that's sent to the users when the AI assistant failed to respond due to some technical issues such as API key failure or wrong API key. Then on those type of cases, this fallback message will be sent to the user's account for a better look. Moving forward, the next one is the knowledge source. See, where you have to upload one knowledge source file. Now, what is knowledge source? So knowledge source is the information bank for your AI assistant. As without knowledge source, AI assistant will provide general answers to your users, but with knowledge source, the AI assistant gives accurate and business specific answers. It is very important for setting up an AI assistant on any specific business. In this tutorial, I am creating a dummy AI assistant for law firms. That's why I have already designed one knowledge base for law firms. See, this is the knowledge base file where I have entered all the related information regarding the law firms, including the services offered, consultation availability information, and mostly asked FAQs too. This knowledge base will help my AI assistant to give accurate and business specific answers to my user. Here I am downloading this knowledge base file in a PDF format, but you have to make sure that the size of your knowledge base file is less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt or PDF. That's why I have downloaded the knowledge base file in the PDF format. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it's limited to 10 pages. Now I am dragging this knowledge base from here and dropping it here. After uploading the knowledge base file, I am moving forward to assistant interface. This is where you can design your AI assistant, where at first I am going to enter a header in this field as a AI chatbot, and it is visible that the moment I have entered the heading as AI chatbot, it will automatically change in this too. And here you can see the final look of your AI assistant. The subheading I have entered as we are online and happy to assist you. The initial message I write that hi there, how can I help you today? Here I have added only one initial message, but you can add two. Next, the label is powered by Pabbly. You can also disable this if you want to. After that, the footer text I have entered as privacy and policy and also added one footer link too. Lastly, the user first message is written as I need help, that I am replacing with hello. Here I have entered. And the next one is the styling, where you can style your AI assistant by changing its theme, colors and shape. Here I am not changing it because it looks good, but you can customize this from here if you want to. After that, I am enabling this toggle so that my AI assistant will be active. Next, I will click on the Save AI Assistant button. See, my AI assistant is saved successfully. Now the next button is Embed. With the help of this button, you can access your AI assistant inside your website or any other application. Once you click on this button, you will get the code of this AI assistant and paste that code on your website, and your AI assistant will going to be visible in your own specific websites too. So this is how this button works. Now after doing this setup, I am clicking on the settings option and clicking on this inbox settings by opening it in a new tab. So this is your inbox settings page. Just scroll down and you will see one option is there by the name of AI auto reply. Here you have to enable this toggle. After that, select the contact list from here that I'm going to select as all contacts. Here you can select those contacts on whom you have to set your AI assistant and select the AI assistant in this field that I have selected as built-in AI chatbot in Pabbly Chatflow. After that, I will click on the save button. See, inbox settings saved successfully. Now the setup of our AI assistant is completed. So this is how easy is this. If you face any difficulties or you have any questions in the setting up of this AI assistant, then you can ask us in the comment section. And if you want me to create an AI assistant for your own specific business, then just comment your business below. I will create a tutorial on it too. This AI assistant will give instant replies to your users in real time like this without you touching your phone. And it is only made possible using an automation tool named as Pabbly Chatflow. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.